Hi guys, so I am super excited for you guys to meet this person that actually made me smile, and I feel so happy that I'm finally in a place of so much happiness. And yeah, if you want to know how I got ready for my date night, please keep watching. So we first start off with primer because that is the prime foundation for any good relationship. Here I'm using the e.l.f. one and I love it. Going to foundation, we are going to use 2 because we need as much strength and stability in this relationship as much as both these foundations provide it to me in my life. So yeah, ek se bhale do, that's what I'm going for in this situation in my life. We are also going to use some concealer because definitely your ex has left a lot of trauma in your life which you need to conceal, and therapy will do the rest of it, and this concealer can do that for your face. We are also going to set it with some powder because it will give you an opportunity to kind of smile and think about all the times that this person made you giggle. And you're also going to set your face with some powder. Okay, Shruti, like, okay, calm down. Just calm down. You're also going to bronze your face, and while you do this, you might be reminded of all the trauma that your ex got you, and it might really rattle you up and get you into a really weird zone, but you don't do that. You don't let that get the better of you. You just snatch your eyebrows and go, ah, yes, be the badass bitch that you are. Okay? Coming to the eyes, you're going to put this brown shadow on the crease of your eye because you're not about to have any creases in your life. All that is in the past and you are looking to a great new future, girl. You are looking at a great new future. You're also going to put it under your eyes because, like I said, above, under, all creases are going to be made into art. Once you're done with that, you are going to add a little bit of shimmer in your life. Like how you need spice in a relationship, that is how you need a little bit of shimmer in your makeup. And that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to take some loose glitter and I'm going to put it in the center of my eye because yes, this person is going to become the center of your attention and the center of your reason to smile. Then we're also going to put some eyeliner because girl, tum kisi pe line nahi marogi. The only line that you are about to line are your eyes. Now we have our eyelashes on and we are going to do poof and get ready with some blush. Oh my god, this is already making me so blushed and cute. Then of course, you know, no look of mine is going to be complete without glowing to the gods. I'm going to use some Jaclyn Hill Becca highlighter and just going to town with it. And yeah, because we want to be a golden glowing goddess. We also want to line our lips because let me tell you, your lips are going to be used very much. So you want to use very long lasting products on your lips. So I'm going to line my lips and I'm also going to use this liquid lipstick just so that everything is in place while you think of all the and yeah, then you're also going to spritz your face with all that awesomeness and voila, you are ready to take on the world. You're ready to be the best bitch that you can be. You're ready to be the baddest bitch that you can be, and get ready for your date. And today I'm going on a date with myself because you know what?
I love men. I think men are the coolest. But you don't really need them to live. My mom said to me, you know, sweetheart, one day you should settle down and marry a rich man. And I said, Mom, I am a rich man.
And like I always say, keep it bossy.
It felt like ooh la la la, yeah. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could